Welcome to DIY Solar and Wind. If you want to make your own electricity, your own solar pool heater, your own solar furnace, click on the links down below so you can see step by step as how I built everything myself. But today I'm expanding into, I'm at Gilmore's Car Museum. This is Michigan grown potatoes on the side. I'm going to read the description of this. It is a 1924 GMC KC-116 one-ton truck. That's amazing. General Motors Truck Company, division of General Motors Corporation, Pontiac, Michigan. This is Michigan grown potatoes. I want to read the description. See if I can get a good handle here. This GMC truck was purchased in 1924 by the Posen Elevator, an agricultural product storage facility in Posen, Michigan, located in the far northeast corner of the state's Lower Peninsula. The village of Posen is home to less than 300 residents and hosts a potato festival that draws several thousand people annually. It is one of many locations that has labeled itself the potato capital of the world, a claim that is made by towns in Idaho, Maine, and Peru. In 2000, the truck was discovered completely intact in a remarkably well-preserved condition. It then underwent a complete restoration and still retains its original wooden cab and cargo box. Even in the world's Michigan-grown potatoes painted on the sides were carefully recreated during the restoration process. What a beautiful find. Can you imagine having something like that, one of your grandpa's barns or something? Jeez, oh Pete. Not good lighting here, but just thought I'd show its simplicity and beauty. Thanks for watching, and have a nice sunny day.